the jurors, and we're gonna go to the jurors and to the people in the comments. Now, this is the question that they have to decide, guys. Out of Rose, Ali, and Blam Dem, me want you to put up the person name who you think has a second chance at becoming their dream job. So Blam Dem saying wants to be a pilot. And Rosalie says she
want to be pilot again. Me want to be.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, don't call out. Sir, don't call out. You see how you see? You already mix up. Okay, good. Okay. So, who have more of a chance, guys? Money God, Miss Trouble, Lulu, Sunshine.
Rosalie.
I want to know them news.
Yeah, I'd say Rosalie, Nicki Minaj, because from them not to have a patient. I'm a bro, you know, but me know him not go have a patient to go through this whole process.
Yeah, Rosalie good for maths, you know, but if people business and him put 2 and 2 together, that I only maths she can do, you know?
Oh, okay.
When it comes to people business, we put 2 and 2 together fast, isn't it?
Don't know.
Get 4, instant.
Okay. Blam Dem. I think you should still be a pilot. That's just me. You know, do you believe in yourself? You can probably still do it.
What?
And this a warplane.
What? That one it.
It's a warplane.
Hold on.
Because I'm all people that have aviation. All the plane before if you land. You could learn that.
Ask him what was his next career choice. I want to hear it.
Yeah, that one.
Excuse me, ma'am, Rose. See, this is a thing about you. That's why you are in the front of the class. You think you are in charge of the blood clot class when me are the teacher and the court people them. So, listen, this is what I want to know. All right, Blam Dem, what other job you wanted to be?
I'm going offline.
Blam Dem, get off your phone. Get off your other phone.
Like somebody I call him.
Yeah. You know what? You know something? Who is TikTok boss. TikTok boss. Okay. In addition to Blam Dem and Rose, you are the next trouble child in the class. Okay?
Nicki Minaj.
Sir?
Yeah, I'm hearing you, okay?
Yes. Okay. TikTok
so
boss.
Why you would have choose me as one of the troublemaker them in the class?
Because I've been seeing you disrupting the class. Okay? So now I have a question for you. Would you and Rose be able to do a school project together, depending on one another, for a whole week and without yelling at each other?
Yeah, most definitely. Who could try our best to do these things, because Rose, she understand me. I'm understand her. She loves sardine and rice.
But me couldn't say that we could do that. Because see, they know you live my trip now, so I will never start it.
Rosalie, nobody do that. Please, Nicki Minaj with there, so we didn't.
Yeah, but Nicki no know me stay already.
No, but you know everybody
why did you bring up sardines just now? Why did you bring up sardines?
No, Nicki Minaj.
Why you bring up sardines?
Nicki Minaj, that is the a trending song. Everybody knows sardine and rice. So I just said that I never expect she would react like that, Nicki Minaj.
So if me tell us you buy 5 ultra, or you have a react.
Rosalie, you see? Nicki Minaj, back to you nicely.
Blam Dem.
Yeah.
Stop getting off the phone. Listen, when you left, I had to put TikTok boss in your place for a moment, okay? So my question to you is, if you have to do a group project with Rosalie for one whole week and you have to be kind to each other, Can y'all do that without yelling and cursing?
Me not hear what you say a while ago. Me not hear.
Well, you need to listen, come on now, bumba clot repeat myself no more, yeah? Yeah. Alright. Blondin.
Eh?
It's not it's yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Blondin.
Yes, ma'am.
If I put you and Rose in the group project together, can you guys work together and get along and be kind and not cuss each other and not yell at each other?
Well, me I go be honest with you. As me say, me never get no love when me I grow up. So me not really know how to behave. Me they work on it, you see me? But me probably we can work out it, probably.
Okay. Well, guys, let's do that. I'll come back with a decision another time. After 1 week, I will pay attention to see who worked well together and who were being kind and who are the skin out in the classroom. I talk about them, I got skin out and do all sort of thing them. I may see who I got talk about brawling thing them, like, I don't know, firearm thing and you understand, bullet and thing pan, you understand? Me I go give it 1 week to see who can behave them blood clot.
Yeah, man. Me work on it, man. Me go work on it, man. And I make sure say everything good.
Okay. Miss Rosalie, do not call out with that. Do not call out with that attitude, Miss Rosalie. You see, this is the thing that we're saying. You have to work on your attitude. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Come and know say you never like them two boy, yeah. But them give trouble, so me have to put you in a them group so you can tame them.
One more thing, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
You could have given a little more time to work on it. Look more time. 1 week too short.
Okay, so you want to start the project later?
Like you could, like, instead of 1 week, you could make it 1 week and couple of days or 2 weeks. So long. So we can work on it.
Oh, you want more time with Rose and TikTok boss?
Yeah, for fix things, yeah. Because, you know.
Okay, well, if the jury is fine with that, Miss Triple, Sunshine, Gold Digger, and Money God, and the people in the comments, should we give them 2 weeks to work together or 1? Put 2 or 1?
I think one works perfect. 2 weeks is too long. 1 is enough. 7 days.
2?
All 2 years if you can.
1 week I may run out of patience.
2 weeks, man. Put it to the limit.
I like this too.
1 week.
Yeah, I like
okay, so we're gonna give them 1 week. You guys, I have to go. Let me put out my weed and let me go back and finish my work. What I have to do. But love, God bless you guys. Have fun, and I will be back when I need to come back. Thank you, and everyone, please exit the courtroom. Good night.
Good night.
Big up,
okay, good night, mom. Good night. Good night, mom.
Good night, mom.